Hello everyone! Ready to explore a new career path in a vibrant European country? Today we're diving into the exciting opportunity to work in Lithuania, a hidden gem of the Baltics. Imagine yourself in a place where modern innovation meets stunning natural beauty, where history and the future coexist seamlessly. Let's get started on your journey to this dynamic nation. So why choose Lithuania for your next career move? It's more than just a beautiful country. It's a land of opportunity. Lithuania boasts a rapidly growing economy with a strong focus on innovation, making it a hotspot for professionals. Key sectors like information technology, fintech, and advanced manufacturing are booming, creating a high demand for skilled talent from around the world. Beyond the professional perks, Lithuania offers an exceptional quality of life. Picture yourself working in a cutting-edge office by day and enjoying serene lakes, lush forests, or the charming old town of Vilnius by evening. It's a perfect blend of work and well-being. Navigating the application process is more straightforward than you might think. It all begins with the most crucial step, securing a job offer. Once you have a contract from a Lithuanian employer, they will take the lead by obtaining a work permit on your behalf from the employment service. With the work permit in hand, your final step is to apply for the necessary legal documentation. Depending on your situation, this will either be a national visa, also known as a D visa for shorter stays, or a temporary residence permit for long-term employment. Each step is a clear milestone on your path to working in Lithuania. To ensure your application is smooth and successful, you'll need to gather a few essential documents. Make sure you have a valid passport with at least 1 year of validity remaining. You'll also need to complete the official application form for your visa or residence permit. Of course, the work permit secured by your employer is a cornerstone of your application. Additionally, you will be required to show proof of valid health insurance that covers you in Lithuania and provide a certificate confirming you have no criminal record from your home country. Keeping these documents organized will make the process much easier. There you have it, your guide to starting a professional life in Lithuania. From its thriving economy and high quality of life to a clear application process, Lithuania is waiting for you. This is more than just a new job. It's an adventure, a chance to grow, and an opportunity to be part of something special. So why wait? Start exploring job openings, prepare your documents, and take the first step toward your Lithuanian dream today. Your new chapter is just around the corner.